floor pan installed on the passenger side from KF Vintage. And rust work install was done by Rustybottom'Z. And he did a patch over here. Put on 14-inch Panasport rims with 195 60 14 tires. The next stage will be to replace this and patch the rusty areas here. It's a big hole. A lot of exhaust fumes are coming back into the cabin. There's another rust area. Gonna go ahead and do the driver's side floor pan because it's more solid than the passenger, but it's still very weak, as you can see. I just made that hole bigger. It's another small spot here. And this was the patch on this side.